Hi everybody, my name is Saman Harab. So today we'll answer Kangaro's questions in mathematics 2020 or the 2020. So we'll start from question 16 until 21 for this video. Then we'll continue in another or next video. So for 16, Anas buys 27 identical small cubes, each with two adjacent spaces painted red. He then uses all of these cubes to build a large cube. What is the largest number of completely red faces of the large cube he can make? So here, yeah. So here, Fahir, let's first, for the first thing, we start to color all the middle squares, faces, and rows and columns like this. Yeah, like what you see I'm doing. I'm don't need to just exactly cover every single block, but at least mark that you put on it red or mark that, do you know if that's red or that's not red. Just at least like, if you put even through a number, any number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even like some anything. So here. Then for those two, we're gonna put black, and for the square, 6 faces or 6 sides. So here's one for this face, and there's down one, and here's two. So here 1 and 2. So there's 2 black faces. So and there's 6 sides for the triangle. I mean 6 sides for the square. So 6 sides. Wait, I'm just gonna use it to put the color. Let's say orange. 6 sides minus 2 faces equal 4. So let's check if there's 4 in the question. I mean, yeah, in the question and the answers or choices. So here, yeah, so there's 4. So it's gonna be option 4 is the correct answer. Is correct. So we're up. Oh, let me just write it in a big place so it's being clear to you. So we're just like this, and we're gonna write option C is for correct. So for here, because it's not clear, so you can just understand by this. So for here, we're gonna first start by, okay, let's start here by, so here in question 15, we can read the question and just directly answer. So a large square consists of 4 identical rectangles and a small square. That area of the large square is 49 centimeters, and the length of the diagonal AB of one of the rectangles is 5 centimeters. What is the area of the small of the small square? So the area of this small square, okay, so we can first wait here, yeah, this one, we can at first start by, wait, yeah, we can at first, wait, I'm just gonna zoom it to be clear. So we can at first, like, it says that here, so here's 5, here's 5, and here's 5, and here's 5. So I'm just gonna highlight it to be clear to you. And so 5 and 5 and 5, 25 plus this one, which is the big one that there is 5. So it's gonna be 25. So 25. So 25. Yeah, 25 divided 2 equal equal 12.5. 12.5. So let's imagine that, wait, let me write it down. 12, I mean 20, yeah, wait, 25 by 12. Wait a minute, I'm just gonna make it clear to can see in event and another side to explain easy to me to explain. 25 divided 2, 12.5. So let's just imagine that this one, wait a minute. Let's just imagine, wait, I'm just gonna make it correct too. So let's just imagine this here, then this one. Wait, I'm just gonna need to do it for perfect. You can, oh, so raise that one and make this one. Make sure to make it 0 or 90 to here in here, then here. Okay, so after, wait, I'm just gonna put this here, so if I need it again, here. Okay, so let's imagine just that this is 12.5, which is a square, just a square, 12.5, sorry, 12.5, 12.5, and the last one is 12.5. So for plus 12.5, this one plus this, it's gonna be 15. So this, it's gonna be 15. And this, it's gonna be 50. So it's yeah. Oh no, I mean that's 12.5. Sorry, I just get mixed up. And we just make like this. Here and here. And yeah. Okay. So 12 fixing out. So 12.5 plus 1.5, it's gonna be equal to 25, because how I know that fast, because we already divided 25 divided 2 equals 12.5. So just multiply to this by this, or no need because it's easy. So and this 2 plus equal 25. So 25 plus 25 is gonna be 50. So now 15. Then it is for us that this whole big one is 49 centimeters squared. Yeah. So so we can just minus 49. Then it will be 1 centimeter squared. So the final answer, our final answer is 1 centimeter squared. So let's check if it's correct. Oh, I'm just gonna put this one. So way here. Yeah. So 15 minus 49 equal 1. Yeah, 1 centimeter square. So let's check if there's any choices which is 1 centimeter square. Yeah, there's a choices with 1 centimeter square, so it's the final answer. So option A is correct. So let's get to the next question, which is 18. Sorry. So here, Walid's salary is 20% of his boss's salary. By what percentage should Walid's salary increase to become equal to his boss salary? So this is easy. Let's just get it here. Yeah, here. So here, Walid's salary, as it says for us, that it's 20%. How are we gonna from his bus salary? Because there's a percent symbol or sign, it's gonna be his boss, of course, it's gonna be 100%. So how from 20 to 100, how many percent is it? So if you have a hard time, you can just do 100 minus 20. So it's gonna be 80%. So here, wait a minute, 80%. I'm just gonna do this. So it's gonna become 80%. So 80%. So how? Okay, now it's 80%, which is the final answer from 20 minus 100. This is the most easiest way. So how we're gonna get the difference? So we're 20 by 80. What is the difference between them, or what is how to get 20 to 80? Or yeah. So we can just minus or multiply. So just trying numbers and multiplying, or directly minus 80% minus 20. Then you will get 40. But this way, it's not correct to do like this, to get for you a wrong answer, even if you meant the same meaning of the one. So here it's gonna be 80%. I mean, wait, sorry, I just got a mistake here. I got mistaken. Yeah. So let's try by 4 to multiply. 20 multi% multiply 4 equal 80. So it's correct that 80 multiply 20 multiply 40, 4 is 80%. So you can just do this way. So see, you get the same answer. So 80%. So here there's no, of course, there's no 40, just like 80, 120, but you can't choose 80 directly when you see there's two 80s. It will be wrong, your answer. So here we 4. You can multiply by 100 to be 400%, which is that step. Percent, it's gonna be 400%. Or you can just get the zeros of this way, not actually wrong, but it will be so hard to get the zeros and multiply and plus and all this. So I just get you an easy way by multiplying 4 by 100, which is 4 by, you can put a dot or X sign. Yeah, 100, sorry. Multiply 100 equal 40. 400. So if you see a final answer here, it's gonna be final answer is 400. So here we see a 400. So yeah, so okay, let's get now to the next question, which is 19. So here I'm just gonna do okay, so here Amina made a city with an identical wood cubes. One of the diagrams shown the view from above the city and the other from the sides. However, it's not known for this picture. It means the question for this picture, they don't know. Yeah, for this one, they don't know from where it's taken from, up, down, and or sides. So let's start doing it because it's so easy to do it and it's so simple, and you need to just make a confidence of yourself and heart of yourself because just you see that. So it's really easy. So wait, just give me a minute here by getting this. I need this picture. No, I need this. So okay. Oh wait, sorry. I just get one. Then this, yeah. So here you can get by like here multiply by 2, so we can here do. So if you start like 3 multiply 3, let's say it's, wait, I'm just gonna increase it. Let's say 3 multiply 3 is 9. 3 multiply 1 is 1. Come on, multiply 1 is 1. Then here 2 multiply 4 is 8. Then 4. So this is 24. And this 4, 1, 8, 9. That's gonna be 8 plus 9 is 17. 18, 22. That's gonna be 22. And this one is 4, 8, 1. And another one is 3, so 9. So here, okay, if like, see, because here we get the correct answer. First one, no need to continue if you get the full or correct answer by second or first time. So here, 24 is the correct answer. 24. So here, Hisham has a strip of paper with the numbers 1, 2, 3 until 4. Until 5. Written in 5 cells. So here it says that question is so easy. We need to know from what it starts or how Aisha fold the papers. So it's easy. So here, as we see, that's here. Yeah. As we see here, well, let me just click further. Yeah, no, it's further before. Yeah, here. Oh yeah, okay. Here, it's gonna be let me see this. Okay, so here it starts by 3, 5, 4. It's okay if it's 5, 4 because it's لأنهم أرقام متتالية أو because it's numbers that like when you count from 1 to 5, the 4 is the 5 is after the 4, so it's okay to switch the numbers that beside each other. So 5, 4. So here she goes here in the A, then like this, then they start from 2 and 1. That's correct because there's that's correct because it's correct because there's no inner ones or skips by things. So we can accept this correct or ممكن. Yeah, so this is correct, A is correct. So let's go to B. B is, it starts by 3, 4, 5 because there's no any numbers after 5. So they just directly back to 1, then 2. So that's correct because there's no any mistakes or something that it's not can't be. Here's now 3. It starts for C, 3, 2. It's okay because it's beside each other. 1 count, then 1, then because there's no space, there's no number before 1. I can't say -1, 0, 0. So they just go to 4, then 5. So that's correct, what you see. And here for D, before last one, it starts 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. It's correct too. So if all of them correct until the A to be correct, so C is wrong because the last one, so it's wrong. Next question. The last question that we have, I can just use it here. Yeah, here I'm just gonna use, sorry, give me a minute, sorry, my mic. Just gonna give me a minute. So it says here, yeah. So it says here 12 colored cubes. There are 3 yellow and red and green. That is 4. And it says here, wait, we just need to underline 3. There are 3 blue and 2 yellow, and the red and yellow cube. One of them at the end. So here, let's see. It starts by there is a cube of yellow one. Is at the end. So here, so we're gonna here. Then here, red cube at the another end. Yeah, so it says that the red all touching, and it says what's the color of the 6th one? It's green because it says green and green and I'm just gonna tie it. Yeah. Okay, wait. So it says here that green and red are at the same jump pad, or it's beside all of them each other. So let's start from red or iron. Let's say we start here 1, 2, 3. It says that there is 4 red, so there's 4 red. Okay, we're gonna stop now here, and 5 green. Let me just make it easy. And 5 green. So here's 1, 2. I mean 4 green, 4. And then blue, which is let's say we can put it in an order, which is like this and like this. Then put yellow one. Yeah. So it's all done. So the green, the 6th one is green. So the correct answer is green. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, and see you at the next video. Thank you. Bye.